Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make a breakfast themed kitty toast keychain. These are all the materials that will be used. Prepare the colors as shown and condition the clay by warming it up between your fingers or using a pasta rolling machine. We'll be starting off with the bread for the toast. First, take some light brown clay and flatten using a roller. Don't make it too thin. Cut out a square with a square cookie cutter. Then, begin shaping the square into the shape of a slice of a bread. Using an old toothbrush, create some bread texture. You can do this for the front and the back of the bread. For the shading of the bread skin, you can use soft pastels as shown. Once you're happy with the shading of the bread, set it aside. Next, we will be making a small kitty. Take some grey clay or a color of your choice and form the head and the body of the kitty. Then, form the ears as such and attach it to the head. Mark the position of the eyes with a dotting tool. Place two tiny black spheres or any color of your choice as the eyes at the marked position. For the mouth, you can adjust according to the expression that you prefer. For the egg blanket, flatten out a piece of white clay between your fingers. Use some yellow clay and form a sphere for the yolk. Mark the position that you would like to place the yolk with a big dotting tool, then attach the yolk. Once you're happy with the egg blanket, place it over the body of the kitty, then add some kitty hands. next thing we'll be making is the sausages. Use a darker shade of brown clay to form two cylinders. Once you're happy with the shape of the sausages, attach it to the bread. For the baked beans, roll out a thin string of medium brown clay and cut it into tiny parts, then form tiny ovals. Once you're happy with the beans, attach it to the bread. For the sauce of the baked beans, use some liquid clay mixed with soft pastels of the color of your choice. Then apply it onto the baked beans. Once all the charms are done, dip the eye pin into liquid clay to secure the eye pin and insert into the charm. Bake the charm according to the instruction. Once the charm is baked, let it cool. I use a glossy varnish to coat the charm, but this step is optional. Once dried, it's time to attach the remaining hardware of the keychain. Attach the jump ring to the bread charm, then attach it to the keychain. This is the finished bread-themed Kitty Toast keychain, snugly tucked under a warm egg blanket. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please do hit the like button and share it to your friends and families. If you're not already subscribed, please consider as we have more interesting videos coming your way. Hope to see you soon!